Hello. I can see your ass. Okay, that was a can.
I can see my mouth.
No one lie here. Hello Niall, hello Harry, hello Liam, hello Lou, hello Zane, hello Zany. Yeah, we have just made a trick game today. It was like 3 hours long. 3 hours long, and we just have really fun. And just so you know it, we have made a ice condom. Ice dildo today. And no, we don't wanna. Don't look at it. Sorry, but I can't. I don't know. I can't be mad at you. Yes, you can. No, I don't want to. But you are. But you are perfect. Why are you so... No, stop it. Oh my God, I think I will say it to Niall, but I can't. Well, I don't have the guts to do that. You need to tell him one day. When? Now. I don't have the... Gosh, so let me. I'm gonna cry. No, don't cry. Okay, Niall and
No, don't.
Harry.
You can't say it.
Yes, I can.
No.
Yes, I can say it. Look at me, boys. I'm not proud of this and to say this, but my
No, don't say it. Don't say it.
Her, she have.
You can't. No, don't say it. Don't say it.
She has cut.
Don't. No, fuck you.
And she don't do it anymore, I think.
They're pretty damn new.
Is that new?
No.
Just stop this. I can't.
You hate me.
No, I don't hate you.
It feels like that.
I love you with all my heart. Like I love Niall. What the fuck? I'm just singing right now. No, I'm just real.
I'm sorry.
Don't say sorry, just stop with that.
But I can't.
Yes, you can.
I need to start it again.
Yeah, but you should don't.
But
you should don't start again.
But I never.
If you start, I start.
No, you don't, because
yes.
you're not as crazy as me.
I mean it.
Stop it.
So stop it.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
No.
Stop.
No.
Or I will start.
No, you don't.
Stop.
No.
You will not stop.
I can't stop.
Yes, you can.
I tried. But it's pretty damn hard, you know.
You hurt me.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't hate me.
I don't hate you.
Yes, you do.
Well, boys.
No, don't.
We come back tomorrow. Okay?
No.
Bye.